Hey guys, this is the Zopin Cat Litter Box Hider. So it is a cabinet that you can actually put a litter box inside of and hide your cat's litter box. There's a couple of cool features on this thing. And first of all, very easy to assemble. We got it in this dark wood color. One cool thing about it is that there is a divider in here that can be moved from this side to the other side, depending on how you want to lay this thing out. You can also put a bed in here if you want your cat to be able to hide. But right now we've got our litter box in there and I overfilled it, so I've got a little bit of a mess. Let me give you a quick walk around. So right here on the front, this is not glass, this is acrylic. You obviously wouldn't want glass in a place like that, just in case it got broken, you wouldn't want to hurt your kitty. So as you can see, inside here, we've got the cat litter box. And then this is the divider. Let me show you. So when you open it up, there is a divider right here in the middle, and you can put it on that side or the other side. And you'll notice over here, there is an entrance and an exit for the cat. So once this is closed, the cat will be able to get in and out the side. And one other cool thing about it is that you can put this entrance on this side or that side, depending on which orientation you want to have it in your living room. I love it because it looks more like a piece of furniture than having to stare at a litter box all day. You can put things on top of it. Obviously right now I have a plant, but also my cat likes to just hang out on top of it and look outside. And we really like it. It tidies the place up a little bit. It makes things look pretty nice. But here it is, the Zopin Cat Litter Box Enclosure, and you can find that on Amazon.